previous video I showcased the main components of my new workstation. Now I will give you a comprehensive look at one of the most powerful gaming workstations available today. While the current trend revolves around everything glowing in RGB or showcasing rainbow colors illuminating your entire room with vibrant lights, I took a different approach. I wanted a workstation that prioritized silence and unobtrusiveness while ensuring optimal airflow. That's why I opt for the Be Quiet Silent Base 802 tower without a window, measuring 53.9 cm in length, 24.5 cm in width and 53.7 cm in height. For the motherboard I chose the Asus ROG Hero Maximus C790 due to its extensive overclocking capability. The i9 13900KS shines with its impressive 24 cores, a maximum turbo boost of 6 GHz and 32 threads. It's accompanied by two Kingston DDR5 RAM bars, boosting a capacity of 64 GB and a speed of 6000 megatransfers per second. Cooling for the processor is handled by the Noctua NHD15 cooler. Additionally, I've incorporated a 2TB Samsung NVMe SSD for storage. Handling graphics processing is the Asus Strix NVIDIA RTX 4090 OC with 24 VDRAMs. Powering the entire setup is the Be Quiet 1000W power adapter. This configuration provides ample connectivity options, including 2 Thunderbolt ports, 1 USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 port, 5 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, Wi-Fi adapter connections, an optical output, 5.1 channel audio outputs, and an HDMI port. The motherboard also features integrated Bluetooth. The graphics card offers 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and 3 display ports. On the top you will find 2 USB 2.0 ports, a microphone input, a headphone output and a USB-C port. When all the components come together, they create a powerful workstation with extensive connectivity and upgrade options. It excels in gaming performance, delivering an average frame rate of over 110 frames per second in ultra high settings at 4K resolution in games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Benchmark tests such as Cinebench position it in first place for both multi-core and single-core performance. The results show that the workstation is ideal for rendering tasks in Blender, saving me valuable time and unlocking endless possibilities in 3D animations. Moreover, it performs exceptionally well in real-time rendering in the Unreal Engine, enabling me to create immersive 3D environments and delve deeper into the world of virtual production. While some may argue the components are slightly overpowered, I wanted to ensure I had enough performance for the coming years and for my new project of establishing a virtual production studio. In the upcoming video I will compare the Rendermachine with a MacBook Pro M2 Max, a PS5 and the cloud gaming service GeForce Now. By using the links in the description you can get fast to the product and I get a commission when you buy it. Win-win for both of us. If you have feedback, let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, you know what to do, and if you want to see more like that, subscribe to my channel.